So guys, today we barely have anything to do, but right now I'm going to start making dinner and it's only 12:25, but I'm going to make a shrimp caldo. I don't know how you say that in English. And these are the shrimps. They're already cooked. And then I'm gonna put vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and all the vegetables that I can put in there. And I'm going to add a chili. And so this is my first time doing this, so I'm going to see how it comes out. So first I'm just going to grab a plate. Barely any plates here because I washed all of them. As you guys can see, they're all stacked over there. And I'm just going to grab this little bowl thing to put the vegetables inside. Then from the fridge, I'm going to grab potatoes, of course. Some. And I'm going to grab chayote. I don't know what it's called in English. I'm gonna put in there some, no, I think I'm gonna save this for my kids. Some carrots. And then what else did the recipe say that went in there? Oh, I'm gonna put some cilantro. Oh god. And then what else? I have everything ready to make the shrimp thing. And I'm just gonna grab some water because we don't have a big water gallon thing. No. If I go just no how far I'll go, I know. So now I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then also some, what is it called? Parsley and the salt. So one thing done and 20 more to go. Chupadedos. Oh, mi changudo. Changu. So I finished cleaning my living room too, except for that and all that mess over there. And I'm gonna take my kids a shower right now. ¿Verdad, mija? Te lo estás poniendo. Ah, no te lo vayas a amarrar porque te ahorcas. Ahorita me lo vas a dar, mija? Snowed yesterday, as I told you guys, and today it rained, so it's kind of going away. So we just went grocery shopping to Walmart, but I didn't show you guys because my daughter was being fuzzy. Her legs hurt like always, and she was crying. And we went to apply for the credit card, but we didn't get approved. They say that you have to have 2 years of good credit and 2 years of working. I'm not sure how that works or anything, but we just got here, so we're gonna keep on trying it anyway. But right now my husband went over to buy some dish soap, ¿verdad, mijo? And they are eating M&Ms. No te lo quites. Say hi. No? So today I took my kids outside to play, and I shouldn't have because I think I'm getting sick. My throat hurts and my nose is getting stuffy, and I feel like I am going to get temperature. What is it called in English? Calentura. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. So today is Tuesday, and today was supposed to be my husband's first day of work, but he didn't go to work because it's supposed to rain, and right now he is out fixing some problems that the truck has. And I am trying to keep my kids positive and having fun and kind of doing exercise. So I'm having them run around the little apartment and jumping around to see if they can get some energy out. And then maybe right now I'm going to take them outside, cover them up, and take them outside to play. ¿Van a brincar? Okay. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. No! So Mama called the doctor. Stop. And the doctor said, Te miro, uno tiene que brincar. Brinquen pues. No. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Ooh! Otra vez. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Ooh! ¿Te pegaste? You hit yourself? Uh-oh. ¿Te pegaste? ¿Ahora el otro brincolín más grande? Sí, porque hay más niños. Oh, 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor. Uh-oh, be careful. The doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Jungle.